Good morning, student. In previous video, you watched some criteria of congruency of triangles and some problems related to those criteria also. Now today, I am discussing some problems of exercise 7.2. Question number 4. Exercise 7.2, question number 4. Question number 4 says that ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. What is given? Altitudes are equal. Altitudes are equal. It is given in question. In which side? The altitudes related to sides AC and AB. And you have to prove that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF and also AB equal to AC. This means you have to prove ABC as a isosceles triangle. Now, it is given that BE and CF are altitudes, two sides AC and AB. So here we give altitudes. We know that what is altitudes? The perpendicular line, it is 90 degree. So here we give altitudes BE, also CF in AB and BE in AC. Now altitudes are equal, so BE equal to CF. It is given, so here we write in given. BE is equal to CF, BE perpendicular to AC, CF perpendicular to AB because it is altitudes. Now we have to prove triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF and also ABC as isosceles triangle. This means AB equal to AC. So AB equal to AC we have to prove. So AB is come in triangle ABE and AC come in triangle ACF. So here we write triangle ABE and ACF. In triangle ABE and ACF, AEB, this angle is 90 degree because this angle is 90 degree. It is altitude and we know that by linear pair sum of angles is 180 degree. So if it is 90, then this angle is also 90 degree. So here we write angle AEB equal to same way AFC. This angle AFC, this angle is also 90 degree. So here we write 90 degree. Now in triangle ACF and ABE, both angles are same. So here we write angle A is equal to angle A common. And it is given altitudes are equal. So here we write BE equal to CF because in triangle ABE altitude BE comes and in ACF altitude CF comes. So here we write BE equal to CF. Now angle and side. Angle, this angle 90 degree and this side. By this triangle congruent, angle side criteria we use to congruent these two triangles. So now that when these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding part are equal. That this means AB equal to AC and we have to prove AB is equal to AC. So here by CPCT it is already proved AB is equal to AC. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now question number 5. It is given ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base. What is given? ABC is also an isosceles triangle and BCD is also an isosceles triangle whose base are same BC base are same. ABC also base is BC and BDC also base is BC. And we have to prove that angle ABD and angle ACD are equal. These two angles we proved by congruency also and by other way also, but here we use congruency. It is given AB is equal to AC because it is an isosceles triangle. Same way BDC is also an isosceles triangle. So here we write BD is equal to DC and we have to prove that angle ABD equal to angle ACD. So here we write angle ABD equal to angle ACD. To prove these angles equal to these angles, we draw a line segment between points A and D because line segment had two endpoints. So here we draw line segment AD. Now construction we write join AD. Now these angles come in triangle ABD and these angles come in triangle ACD. So we use these two triangle. Here we write triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In ABD, AB, and in triangle ACD, AC, because AB equal to AC, so here we use AB equal to AC. Same way BD is equal to DC, because in triangle BDC it is an isosceles triangle. So here we write, and we see AD is common. So by criteria side, 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 this side, and this side. By side criteria, both two triangles are congruent, and then their corresponding part, that is angle B and angle C, are equal. Now come to question number 6. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. It is given ABC is an isosceles triangle in which side AB equal to AC. And side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. We have to show that angle BCD is a right angle. According to this, we draw a figure in which AB is equal to AC is given and BA is produced to point D such that AD is equal to AC. AD equal to AB. It is given in question. So we draw a figure with the help of question. Now in given we write AB is equal to AC, it is given, and also AD is equal to AB is given in question. So here we write given. We have to prove angle BCD equal to 90 degrees. So here we write angle BCD is a right angle. Now proof. AB is equal to AC, and we know that the angles opposite to equal side are also equal. So we use this theorem. AB is equal to AC, it is given. So angle opposite to sides AB is ACB and angles opposite to side AC is ABC. So here we write angle ACB is equal to ABC. Same way AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD, it is given in question. So angle opposite to side AC is angle ADC and angle opposite to side AD is ACD. So here we write angle ADC is equal to ACD. Now we write angle ACD here and ADC is here because equal to, so we change the sides. Now add equation 1 and 2. Angle ACB plus ACD. ACB, this angle, ACD, this angle. So it becomes angle BCD. Here we write angle BCD. And angle ABC plus angle ADC. We add LHS to LHS and RHS to RHS. Now we write angle ABC as angle DBC also, because both represent angle B. So here in place of angle ABC we write angle DBC, and same way angle ADC we write angle BDC because both represent angle D. So in place of angle ADC we write angle BDC. Now adding angle BCD both sides, we get angle BCD. In both sides we add BCD because we know by exams when we add something to equals, then wholes are equals. So here we use that exam. Then angle BCD plus angle BCD is equal to 2 angle BCD, and angle DBC plus BDC and angle BCD is 180 degree because in triangle BDC it is a triangle, so we use here angle sum property. So here we write equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So angle BCD is equal to 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So angle BCD is a right angle. Okay, thank you.